Hi, I'm Sarah from sewingmastery.com, and I am coming to you live today from our Bernina Fiber Exchange. So I wanted to show you what it looks like when I do a fiber exchange. It looks like this, and for Carrie of New York, I'm actually picking yours right now. So what is a fiber exchange exactly? It's when we have asked people to send in fibers that we can use for couching techniques, and with this we can put decorative stitches on it. It's one of our lessons in the Stitching Cosmos online course, so check out the links I'll add after this video is done. But what I've done is 3 times a year we are hosting a way for you to get fibers from all over the United States and some international ones. Hi Alice, how are you? Did I see your name in this? This was so fun to see all the fibers that are coming together. So I lay them all out and then I just go around, and if you remember like Valentine's Day when you used to exchange Valentine's cards with your fellow students, I feel like that's what I'm doing for you. And then we'll get them all bundled up and mailed out as early as tomorrow, so you can look for them towards the end of this week, beginning of next week. Now we will be doing another fiber exchange. May 15th is the next one. Again, we're going to put links below where you can get the form to fill out, learn how many fibers you need to do. On each card there are 3 different kinds, and there is 10 feet, not 10 yards, 10 feet of each fiber. And then we ask you to put 20 of them in your bag. And then, so that's gonna end up, you're gonna end up with 60 different fibers when you're done. Lots to choose from, especially if you're working on some of your decorative stitches. You definitely wanna take a look. Fibers just add so much. And I often use fibers when I'm couching to cover things up that I'm not totally in love with. So if you do some stitching, people always say that those are actually the things they like the most. Well, really what I don't tell them, it's usually something that I'm hiding, and fibers are a great way to cover it up. We use fibers if you do your circular sewing attachment, and that is, so you can do it actually in a circle because that is not a separate foot, that's more of an attachment, and that is super, super fun. So we actually had a great amount of people doing this because we had 24 people participate. So as you get 20 of them back, because you send in 20, you get 20 back, that gives you such a nice variety. So everybody will have a very similar collection with just a slight adjustment. So this is super fun. I can't wait to mail these out. And actually, I have something fun to show you. I am actually in our brand new event center here in Sioux Falls, South Dakota, and I know we have built it to have large events near our store. Not just yet, but I want to just show you quickly around. This is a 4,000 square foot building, and I know these videos and pictures never do it justice, but we can actually put a ton of people in it. And that doorway just past that TV in the back room, that is my new filming studio. I haven't moved in yet, but I look forward to bringing you new videos from that new studio. We're waiting for blinds to come in. Super fun. Inside over yonder is a full kitchen, so we can host for all the fun things. We have big screens, we have audio, and it's all coming together. But again, we'll probably need to wait just a little longer, but if you are ever in the Sioux Falls, South Dakota area, check out our website and see which events and teachers and instructors we plan on bringing in later this year to start with. So fall of 2021 is what we're shooting for. So I am going to put Carrie's last couple fibers in because this makes, let's see here, 17, 18, 19, and 20. So your bag is all packed and ready to ship out. So I hope you're as excited as I am seeing all these great fibers, and I can't wait to see what you are going to use your fibers for. Again, if you want to get in on our next fiber exchange, it is super easy, and we'll give you all the information below so you can check it out. All right, so everybody have a great day, and I will see you next time.